Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you change your YouTube profile picture on mobile. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, since we're going to be using the YouTube app, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and search for YouTube from here and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything works smoothly in the app for this process. Let's go ahead and open YouTube, of course. Make sure you're logged in and then tap on your profile picture that should be at the bottom right. It should take you to this screen right here, and then tap on your name or channel just to open your channel, basically. Just like that. And now from here you see this edit channel button right next to analytics. That's what you need to tap, or where you need to go. Go ahead and tap right there. As you can see towards the top of the screen, there is my basically cover photo and then my profile picture. If I want to change my profile picture, I just tap on it right there, and then I get two options. I can take a picture directly and I can choose a picture from my gallery, and even have the third option to pick a picture from Google Photos or something like that. Now that is for the first option, or the first way of doing it. You can do it from somewhere else if you couldn't do it from here too. You can go to your Google account or just go to any Google app where you can tap on your profile picture in the top right corner right there, and then from here tap on manage your Google account, and then from here just tap on your profile picture, and then you'll be able to change it the same way you can change the one on YouTube. Now if you're using the same account on YouTube, the profile pictures should sync up. Now the first method is way better. You can just use the second one if you couldn't use the first one. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.